Hey, what's up, everyone? It's me, Team Aaron here. So, last four videos, I was talking about the two rings I was trying to get made with a $100 gift card for Amazon, and I'll put them in envelopes with the two rings around Edmonton. First, then go down low, hit that subscribe button, and turn your post notifications on. You'll be notified every time I upload. By end of the year, I really wanted that up to 100 subscribers. We're at 45 right now. Please, let's make it happen. Yeah. So, so I might have my internet back sometime this week or next week. So all these videos and this playlist will be uploaded to YouTube and some another social medias. So yeah, and also I have a song to my note. Please download it. It'll be on YouTube Music and Spotify. Please download it. It'll be free. I don't know when it comes out, but I'll let you guys all know. Also, another thing is I'm gonna have a fundraiser going on for St. Jude in the States, the hospital that deals with cancer and all that stuff. St. Jude actually helped my family out with me when I was 6 years old. We went to St. Jude, and yeah, so and then came back to Alberta, Canada, where I'm living now. Yeah, I'm going to try to raise $250,000 for them, if we can, and also with the money that I want to try to that for you guys to win, maybe 300 each for two winners. And if you're not in Canada, I'll fly you guys out, spend a day together, and fly you back. So yeah, have a great day, and see you on the next one. Peace.